I think this is a very good initiative, and we've been supporting it now for 1.5 years, and we see good progress, especially the collaboration between parliamentarians and between also stakeholder communities, people who are working on the topics in the different countries. And we see the learning across the region and between different countries. So we're happy with.
Omuseneta we county ya Gusii okia umtata nigabereka goswera eserikali ye county kubwatukana n'obutumeki bwe nibo chiringe bilioni 2.3 ekyokorengana nere atamanyete buna chiabete chigotumeka asikiriya tere buna chinga kyagotema koboria igoro butumeki bwe nigo akorutananwa anakotatebi wari chibu ryekene nakorengana nere nigo boigabereka komochia oburayi bwe serikali ye county ya Gusii kubwatukana no wanchireria chinga kicho kubwatoka chikonda gochiase abanyakonda se Chinsa micho asensemo yaye Oscar Juma uyoro murikia se county yo nigabereka gotugutera engana yaye omtatare na goteba buna chinchira chibwenerete nji gose omtata na bwente kubwatia chinchira chibwenerete asokonyora obwen no butumeki bweni serikali ye county ya Gusii.
So we cannot just be sitting ducks. And you see the way the county is being managed. Nothing is happening. Look out here how the grass has grown tall. Just outside at the headquarters of the county. You have rats living around there. So what is that? What's going on?
What we have seen in the senator's complaint is that he has lumped together so many projects over which he's raising alleged procurement malpractices. So what we are saying is that all those things can be processed within the procurement law, and that's what the law says. Start with the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board, because the court as it sits cannot interrogate at first instance matters relating to procurement. Worse when you are raising literally.
Abanyanyimbo koruase county ya Bungoma nigo bachakirie obotuki kubwatikana nege kore asenyomba yo mwanasiasa oyiboigoro munchoreria oyo masereta Zakaria Barasa yabeteke gosaganwa obotuko ogosiaba ke gosagano obotuko bwokira rero na gosambwa goika kwera korengana ne amatenigo abakagerwa bo babagwekirana asenge yo Chinsa isano na isato chia botuko na gotongia chitailas boigo barenge kogosereria kubwatoka amasasi nigo ikagere ko babuna namangana age siasa anene chingaki Barasa beirega koba oyo mubwaba bwatani balia bakogikiria obotagori bwechinyomba bogendrete imeye county yo ya Bungoma nonyana baniga bamenyi bechinse mecho babere bakogikiria egekorekyo namono kogikiria serikali ye county ya Bungoma ne serikali nene asiboigo bamochire ensemo yoburendi asoko ira chingaki koikirana asegekorekyo.
Tumehuzunishwa sana na kitendo ambacho kimefanyika na vijana ambao wamekuwa hired kukuja kuharibu mali ya Mheshimiwa Zakaria Barasa. Na mimi najua hii yote ni siasa. Na hii siasa ni siasa ya hii demolition ambayo inaendelea. Wabunge walipewa pesa wakakula, ma MCA wamepewa pesa wakakula. Hakuna mtu wa mheshimiwa yoyote mwenye anasimama na mwananchi wa kawaida. Ndio maana Mheshimiwa Zakaria Barasa amejitokeza kwa nguvu na kusimamisha hiyo ubomozi ambao inaendelea kiharamu.
Lakini tangu saa 6 ya usiku hatujaona response yoyote kutoka kwa security, licha ya kuripoti kwao hiyo usiku, kuwapigia simu OCS wa Bungoma. He did not pick calls, he did not respond. Na ngependa kukashifu hiki kitendo kwa sababu hiki ni kitendo cha uoga. Kama hao wanaona ni siasa, wanaweza kuja to face someone's home, damage it like this. Wakuja mchana tuwaone hao ndi.
Mancho murigeri ya inaruna kwariganire tyasema ya Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwinge korende ya monanda mangen togendrego kwariganire kurwa semesa ito ayora chikonyora senchera yobwikiranuge koragense munaboigo Chinsa isato nere Vincent Onyancha endera kubwati miroberions ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyarwetera Ndizi TV News naboigase website ito naboko yasomoetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendrego sanga asobwa meretriane Everlyne Felistus Kabendi nero ne kyachibicha nero gicha wekeira senchera ya bene kukuganeria uburigere boro bya semero bereko bwatya naboigo emagoroba erentoereru.